Linear Integrated Circuits is authored by eminent authors D. Roy Choudhury and Shail Bala Jain and is published by one of the leading publishers, New Age International Publishers. This latest multicolor edition of the book is intended for the undergraduate students of engineering. The book is widely used by DTU, NSUT, IGDTU, NITs and other top engineering colleges. This is one of the best-selling books on linear integrated circuits. Professor D. Roy Choudhury, retired as Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering from Delhi College of Engineering, Delhi. An eminent author, Professor D. Roy Choudhury has also authored another best-selling books on networks and systems published by New Age International. Professor Shail Bala Jain served DCE for 30 years and 12 years as Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, GGSIB University, and finally retired as Academic Advisor from IGDTU. Buy this latest edition for your golden future.